How to find reported accounts on Instagram. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how you can find the reported accounts on Instagram. So if you have reported an account, whether it be their post or comment, this is how you find it on your Instagram account. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram and make sure that you are logged in. And from here, what you need to do is head over to your profile section on the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile, you will find this hamburger menu on the top right, and then you will get into your settings and activity. Now you just have to scroll down a bit until you see the help section, which is under more info and support. Go ahead and tap on help center. So let me make this clear. There is no option to unreport anything. Once you have reported something, this cannot be undone. So all you can do is find what kind of account you reported and what you reported it for. So once you get to the help section on the very bottom, you'll see support requests. Tap on it, and on the very first option, you will see reports. Just tap on it, and if you have reported anything, it will view right here, and you can read the community standards to learn what Instagram allows on their platform and how you can help them report and remove what they don't. If you want to look up the community standards, you can just tap on it and it will direct you to another website. But if you have reported anything, the list will be right here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.